We've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you. Through the years. Ooh, yeah. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who